If you're looking for the best Microsoft Azure and cloud computing courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll review the top Microsoft Cloud courses and help you choose the best one based on your career goals. Before we get started, check the link in the description. Coursera is currently offering 40% off the monthly Coursera Plus plan for your first 3 months. If you plan to complete multiple Microsoft certifications, it's one of the best ways to save money. Let's get started. If you're completely new to Microsoft Azure, my top recommendation is Introduction to Microsoft Azure Cloud Services. This beginner-friendly course has a 4.5-star rating from over 2,800 learners and introduces Microsoft Azure, cloud infrastructure, virtual machines, cloud storage, networking, virtualization, and the core concepts behind Microsoft's cloud platform. If you're looking for a complete career pathway, choose the Microsoft Cloud Support Associate Professional Certificate. With a 4.7-star rating from more than 1,600 learners, it teaches Microsoft Azure, cloud deployment, networking, troubleshooting, security, operating systems, cloud support, and the practical skills needed for entry-level cloud support roles. Another excellent option is Microsoft Azure Cloud Administration Basics. This specialization focuses on cloud administration, identity and access management, infrastructure, Kubernetes, infrastructure as code, system monitoring, and managing Azure environments. It's ideal if you want to become an Azure Administrator. If you want a shorter course focused on Azure services, check out Azure Cloud Services. It covers cloud security, virtual machines, networking, identity management, Kubernetes, cloud deployment, and the essential Azure services you'll use in real-world environments. For learners preparing for certification, preparing for the AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals exam is one of the best choices. It reviews Azure services, cloud security, cloud management, storage, deployment, and the topics you'll need for Microsoft's popular Azure Fundamentals certification. So, which Microsoft Cloud course should you choose? If you're just getting started, begin with Introduction to Microsoft Azure Cloud Services. If your goal is landing an Azure job, the Microsoft Cloud Support Associate Professional Certificate provides the most complete learning path. And if you're planning to earn Microsoft certifications, the Azure Administration and AZ-900 courses are excellent next steps. The best part is that many of these Microsoft Cloud courses are included with Coursera Plus. That means you can complete multiple certificates without paying for each course separately. If you'd like to explore these Microsoft Azure courses or claim the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find both links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.